Greetings. I've called this emergency video response in response to the response I got on my email. Well, according to some of these people, I keep getting these accusations that, well, that I'm gay. Well, let me just say one thing about that. That is absolutely and totally, completely wrong. I'm sorry that I come off a little bit effeminate. I'm sorry I don't have kids that come out and play with your kids. I'm sorry that I don't have all of the time in the world to talk to you about your child and her precious little honor student system. The fact of the matter is, I am straight. I'm not hiding from anybody. Why would I want to hide for? I'm straight. I like girls. So, whenever you see my videos on, and I'm dancing in the room alone, and that's you and everybody, you need not to tell us that you're not gay. We know you're not gay. And we know you're not hiding either by having to tell us that. I mean, really.